Welcome back to MindMoves with Oksana space where we train our brains with our mind. Are you ready for the next exercise? Your palms are facing the world. So you make a fist here and your thumb is on this side. Your palm is straight here and your palm and your thumb is inside. Then just change and change. But please control your thumb. That is important. One is inside, one is outside. And this is the tricky part of this exercise because your mind wants to do them both outside. But you're the boss, you control. If it's difficult, first train your left hand. It's easy, you see? With one hand, it's always easy. Then your right hand, then do it together. Now, you see? Like that. When you do it good, slowly, do it faster. When you do it good, faster, talk while you're doing this exercise, but control your thumbs. Now, both hemispheres of your brain are working. If you're talking, it's much more difficult. You train your corpus callosum and your brain is making new paths with and while you are training left and right hemispheres, you're training your logic and system, creativity and art ability. Let's train our brains together. Control your thumbs.